blah. This is basically the same thing. Let's open it. Have this one been opened? It's basically the same thing, so we don't have to show it to you guys, but we still have to do it, and that's basically what we're gonna say for now. And then now we're just going to open it. I feel something. Let's see the mystery. I hope we get one from the Clean Team. Guess what it is? Is it from the Clean Team?
Maybe.
It's not. It's from the Grocery Gang team.
Oops.
But that's another blender gone wrong. Where's the other one? Just different color. This is a trash can, you know that? We got a baseball player thingy to catch the ball.
Your sister is looking at you, you know?
Hello, baby.
She wants to film a video later.
Mujhe. Hello. Oh, she's not looking at me.
Yeah. How old is your sister? Oh, I don't know what's that.
My sister is 6 months old. Almost. Hello.
Yes, she's an intruder.
And my grandma is also there, taking care of my little sister.
You hear? She's yelling now.
She's want to cry.
What's
We
that?
got a luggage gone wrong. You don't need, that's not from the grocery store.
What's that? Some sort of...
Serious.
Yeah.
Ooh, turn off the camera. Boop, 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 boop.